Ever look at a stain and think, that needs a stronger approach? Introducing the Vacmaster Heated Spot Cleaner, the professional power you need to make your home spotless. This isn't just cleaning, it's deep cleaning. Our specialized heating function breaks down the hard-to-remove messes other vacs won't even touch. And when you combine that heat with powerful suction, no stain is out of bounds. From dinner spills to tough pet messes. Customize your clean with our full range of nozzles. From the wide path tool for larger spaces and the crevice tool for those tricky spots you can't quite reach. Stains gone, job done. Keep your space flawless with the continuous, powerful clean of the Vacmaster Heated Spot Cleaner. Find yours now.